Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to Arnold Gehlen. Arnold Gehlen was an influential conservative German philosopher, sociologist, and anthropologist. Main ideas. Gehlen's core idea in the man is that humans have unique properties which distinguish them from all other species. World openness, a concept originally coined by Max Scheler, which describes the ability of humans to adapt to various environments, as contrasted with animals, which can only survive in environments which match their evolutionary specialization. This world openness gives us the ability to shape our environment according to our intentions, and it comprises a view of language as a way of acting. Gehlen was one of the first proponents of speech-act theory, an excess of impulses and the ability of self-control. These properties allow us, in contrast to all other animals, to create our own, for example, cultural environments. Through this is also at the risk of certain self-destabilization. Gehlen's philosophy has influenced many contemporary German thinkers in a range of disciplines, including Peter Berger, Thomas Luckmann, and Niklas Luhmann in sociology, and Hans Blumenberg in philosophy. Gehlen rejects the experimental methods of the natural sciences as leading to materialism, and rejects the understanding approach because it employs contemporary intellectual standards in analysis of the heterogeneous situations. The method of philosophy, Gehlen claims, is the intuitive or phenomenological method that he himself uses to interpret the significance of socio-cultural institutions. According to Gehlen, the task of philosophy differs from that of science. Disregarding the factual inferences of sciences as irrelevant, philosophers should unravel the realities that are their proper concern. These realities or categories are the basic qualities of man and of institutions that remain intact after the fullest cultural, social, and historical analysis. Gehlen conceives of such a study of reality as empirical and thus envisage no complete system of categories. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was the host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.